Hello and welcome to Aarsun. This is Tanisha Arora. Today I have along with me Ashish Mittal,
Namaskar.
Director of Aarsun. Today we will be talking about a very beautiful bedroom set. So Ashish ji, can you please tell us something about this?
Sure. In this video, we'll be covering about this bed, and we'll be covering all the points that you should have in your mind while you are going to buy a bed for your place. There are always a few points that you should have, you should know when you're going to buy something. And after this video, I'm sure you'll have all the points covered and you'll know everything that you should know about a bedroom set and how to decorate your bedroom. So first of all, about the design itself. This is one of our most beautiful bedroom set, and this is in fact carved from all the sides. The back is not carved, the back portion we don't carve it because it goes on the wall. Rest everything, the sides, the headboard, the footboard, everything is so beautifully carved. And this design we have made several times in different colors, in antique gold, and this time this is gold rush, one of our most liked color.
Sir, let's talk about the 3 points about the size of the bedroom set.
See, in a bedroom set we have a bed, two side tables, or if you don't have that much space, you can go for a single nightstand also. Side table, nightstand, both names for the same item. That is the side table here. Then you have the ottoman, the wardrobes, and you can have a TV unit if you want, and then love settees, single sofa, or you can put room chairs, bedroom chairs along with a coffee table. These are all additional items.
Yeah.
But the basic is a bed and two side tables.
Actually, yeah.
That is the basic requirement. When we talk about size, the basic size is the mattress size.
Yeah.
So mattress size decides what type of bed you want. So mattress can be queen size or single size. Then you can have king size, just like this one. King size in India is 6 feet by 6.5 feet.
Okay.
So 72 inches this way and 78 inches this way. Thickness we are not considering here because thickness can vary from 4 inches and can go up to 18 inches thick. So mattress comes in the various thicknesses that you can decide. Now, this is the basic point. Accordingly, we choose the design, because if we make this design a single bed or a queen size bed, it will be quite narrow. So this design is looking good in king size. And other important point here is, in different countries, the sizes of mattresses are different. So in a king size could be a little different in US. There are super king sizes, California king, Eastern king, and similarly in Dubai, Middle East, there is different size. In Australia, there is different size. So wherever you are, there is a chart on the website. We have explained completely how the mattress size goes. So you can select your mattress size. Accordingly, we'll make the bed.
Okay.
This is the first point to be considered for a size.
Okay.
The second thing to be considered about the size is the thickness of the mattress. So accordingly, we'll go for storage or non-storage. So if you are going for 18 inches mattresses, the storage don't work. Storage works for maximum 8 inches of mattress, maximum 8 inches. So beyond that, if you are going, the storage is not required. It's too thin, and that doesn't make sense. The third thing about the size is the space you have. Accordingly, you can select the nightstands that you want.
Okay.
In this one, we have top storage. So you can see the entire side is open. And if you are going for drawers, so drawers are open this side, so that takes more space on the sides. So that is also to be considered. So if you are getting drawers and drawer is coming till this point, so you may not have enough space for a bedroom chair and a coffee table. So that point is also to be considered while you design your bedroom.
Okay.
So these are the basic 3 points about the sizes.
Okay. Sir, what should be the good height for a bed with mattress?
You're talking about the sitting height.
Yeah, right? Actually.
Okay, see, the good height for a mattress is the one where you need not climb up or climb down. See, this is the bed right now, and we are putting a mattress on it, and I'm sitting on it. So you can see I'm sitting very comfortably. If it's a little higher also, I'll be sitting quite comfortably. But if it's too high, then I have to climb down from the bed and jump up.
Yeah.
So that is not a good height. Generally, 20, 22, maximum 24, 2 feet is a good height with mattress for a bed.
Okay.
Maximum 2 feet. And unless you are very tall, if you are more
Mhm.
than 6 feet, then you can go for a couple of inches more.
Yeah, actually.
So in standard 6 feet, this is a good height.
Mm.
The point here is when you get up, when you are half asleep, you're not completely in senses,
Yeah.
and you're trying to climb down from the bed.
Mm.
At that time, when you're climbing down, your feet should be properly grounded. Your feet
Mm.
should not be in air,
Mm.
and if it's not, it should not be that low that when you are climbing down, you are stuck in your knee. Just
Mhm.
like if I'm sitting too low, let's say this one, I'm sitting too low. So when I'm climbing down, my knee will be stuck. So in both the cases, it will be very uncomfortable, and it's always prone for the accidents. We are always prone for getting a cramp or some stiffness.
Mm.
So this is the basic point.
Mm.
The foot should be properly grounded when you are climbing down.
Okay.
First point about the mattress. According to the mattress, we go for the storage.
Mm.
So storage or no storage depending on the thickness of the mattress.
Mm.
Third point here about the height is the nightstands.
Okay.
Nightstands are very important because these days all of us have mobile phones, and we generally keep it
Yeah.
next to us on the bed.
Mm.
And apart from that, a lot of people love reading. So
Mm.
they have books when they read, and they simply slide the book on a nightstand. So they keep it very
Yeah.
close by.
Yeah.
And then you have water bottles that you should have while you're sleeping next to you. So if you are in sleep, you are feeling thirsty, you just stretch your hand, you pick up a bottle, drink the water, and put it back.
Yeah.
So these are very handy items. Apart from that, you can keep some medicines that you regularly use, some eye drops, or anything that you use in the nightstands, in the side tables. So you have easy access to these things.
Yeah.
Now, here the practical thing is when you're lying down, let's say you are on 24 inches of height. When you're lying down, your hand should be easy to access. So if it is too low, then you have to reach out.
Yeah.
You have to probably bend a little to get the stuff. And if it's too high, then again you have to reach out.
Yeah.
Both the positions are uncomfortable. So the nightstand should be very close to the mattress height. If you talk about this nightstand, this is 24 inches high, 22 inches wide, and 16 inches deep, with two drawers, two pull-out drawers. So this is the size of this one.
Okay.
We can go for wider or narrower depending on the size.
Okay.
Again, about the size also, if you talk about the size of this bed, the back height is 6.5 feet. And overall, this covers 7 feet of area from front to back, and close to 7 feet on left to right as well.
Okay.
Because you see the sides are a little out of the
Yeah.
mattress area. So 7 feet by 7 feet area required to put the bed. Then you have two nightstands, so 2 feet. So total around 11 to 12 feet you require on this wall to keep this bed.
Okay. Sir, according to you, please tell me three things about the colors of the bed.
See, colors involves two things. One is the unit color, and second is the fabric color. Let's talk about both the things. So point number one about the bed color itself.
Okay.
See, bedroom is a place of love and rest. So anything that is too dark, and that's according to me.
Yeah.
I'm telling you my personal perception, my personal idea. What you like, we always make that. But what I'm telling now is as according to me. The colors should be vivid, should be brighter, should be lovable colors.
Yeah.
Just like this one. This is a gold rush. And it's a very beautiful and very likable color. It's not very dark and not very deep. And it's a beautiful pattern altogether. So both the things, when we are sleeping, we should have a sound sleep. We should have a relaxed sleep. So for that, we should have beautiful colors around us.
Yeah.
Very dark colors generally, according to me, gives a little negativity. What I feel. So lovely colors are always preferred. Second thing about the color is the fabric part. Again, with the fabrics, we should not go for very deep colors. As you see in this one, this is a very lovely type of color, not very deep. So these colors are always preferred.
Yeah.
Third thing about the color is your own decor. Your home decor, your wall colors, your curtains, drapes, your carpet, and your wooden flooring, how you like it. So it could be the natural wood finish, or it could be the gold color, silver, copper, several colors are there. So you can go for the color, white, off-white, any color you like. That is the third thing.
Okay.
As per the decor.
Okay.
So these are, according to me, the three things that you should have in mind while you're selecting the colors of the bed.
And sir, one more question. If you can give three Vastu tips about bedroom.
See, I'm not a Vastu expert, but what I have learned and what I have understood from the study I have done for all the items, I can give you three tips, and these tips are very useful. First and foremost, the main point is about the head direction. When we are sleeping, our head should not be in the north direction.
Okay.
Because if we are sleeping in the north direction, then our feet are in the south. And as per Vastu and as per our tradition also, when someone dies, their feet are towards the south. So we can keep our head in the south direction. That is always nice. South
Okay.
or southwest is fine. Other thing is that we should not keep our head in the west also. Because see, sun rises in the east.
Yeah.
And generally most of us tend to get up after the sun rises.
Yeah.
And sun is God in our traditions. So when we are sleeping and when the sun is rising, our feet are towards the sun. So according to me, that's not an optimum position. Mainly the first point about the south direction should be considered. The second thing is about my personal thinking. So south head should be in south as per,
Okay.
or southwest. That is the optimum as per Vastu and as per other traditions also.
Okay.
Now, second thing is that we should not have anything very heavy nearby us. Generally, when we have storage, we keep a lot of heavy stuff inside the storage. We can put some heavy utensils or something heavy. So then generally don't do that because that has some negative aspects while we are sleeping,
Yeah.
according to Vastu. The third thing about the Vastu, and this one I have tried and tested myself, so I can assure you this is the right thing. We should not have a wall clock right opposite to our eyes when we are sleeping. So if I'm
Okay.
sleeping in this direction, I should not have a wall clock right opposite to me. I cannot have a sound sleep when you're sleeping with a wall clock right in front of me, because every time I get up, I tend to look at the clock. And this is a tried and tested thing. I have tried myself. So I moved the clock to a different location and I feel much better. You can also try it. So these three tips, if we have in mind, I feel should be good enough.
Okay. I'm sure we have covered a lot of points in this video. Still, if you have any query, then please contact. The number is right here. We deliver in India and out of India. So please contact. We will be happy to talk with you. Thank you.
Dhanyavad.